We're on to the next step. Now we're going to add the vegetables to the soup and let the magic begin. Doesn't really matter what order you put them in. Just walk over. And as you're ready to put them in, you'll see that all the skimming is done and it looks pretty clear. As I said, we did very well. There's the celery going in. And you'll find that the vegetables, because they're lighter in weight, they're all going to come to the top. And the chicken will sink to the bottom. So what I kind of do is stir it around a little bit, and I'll see if I can't stick one of those onions underneath a piece of chicken at the bottom, just so that we get some of that down underneath. They're all going to do their thing anyway, but there's the leaves. Whenever you smell anything that's cooking on the stove, if you ever go like this, you can see the steam rising. You get a really good quaff of that aroma, and boy, when you come inside when this chicken soup's cooking, does it smell good. I'm going to put the lid back on and lower the heat a little bit. And as I said, now we just wait for the magic to begin. That's basically it. Just let her sit for a while, about 45 minutes to an hour. Come back, check every once in a while. I like to do that just to go like this, because I love it. We'll be back in the next segment. We're going to make the matzo balls and see how they go in. Stay tuned.